Hello and welcome to Natural Beauty Tips. Some girls don't like their nose, especially if they are broad and fleshy. They believe that a fat nose mars their beauty. In fact, the actresses go for the expensive surgeries to get the nose size they desire for, but these surgeries are out of reach for a common man. But did you know that you can reduce your nose size with the help of ginger powder? Home remedies have a solution for almost every problem we suffer from. Yes, it is true that you can get your dream-like nose by using this home remedy, and the best part is that you don't have to go through extreme pain for all this. Here is a simple home remedy to make your nose smaller without surgery or makeup. Take 1 teaspoon ginger powder and mix it with 1 teaspoon lukewarm water. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Then, take a facial brush and apply this mixture on your nose evenly. Leave the mixture on your nose for 30 minutes. And rinse your nose with cold water. You can also dip a cotton pad in apple cider vinegar and use it to wipe your nose. Wash your nose with cold water. Don't forget to do this every day unfailingly until you get the desired results. If done regularly, you will notice the difference in just 10 days. Please note that you will experience some burning sensation on your nose due to the ginger powder, but if the burning sensation is beyond endurance, then wash it off with cold water. Reduce the quantity of ginger water next time. Try this DIY and share your experience with us. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and do hit the subscribe button for more amazing DIY remedies. Thank you for watching.